A cold-blooded, calculated killing on the streets of Midtown Manhattan. The early morning ambush of the United Healthcare CEO caught on camera. Brian Thompson, one of the tens of thousands of Americans to die in gun-related incidents in 2024. But overall, experts say gun violence is down.
There's almost certainly a returning to the historic averages, community violence interruption programs being able to get back online. And then also there has been some repairing of community and police relations.
Data shows that gun-related homicides were down more than 13% nationwide in the first 4 months of 2024 compared to a year earlier, and that the typical summer surge never materialized. But there continue to be outliers, like Mississippi, Louisiana, and Alabama, where firearm-related death rates outpace some conflict zones, like Mexico, Haiti, and Honduras.
Unnecessary.
The persistent pervasiveness of gun-related violence, which remains the leading cause of death in children, prompted the U.S. Surgeon General this year to declare it a national public health crisis for the very first time.
Our failure to address it is a moral crisis. To protect the health and well-being of Americans, especially our children, we must now act.
But many worry the exact opposite could happen after Donald Trump is sworn in as president on January 20th.
It's under siege. Second Amendment is under siege. We will roll back every Biden attack on the Second Amendment, starting the minute that Crooked Joe shuffles his way out of the White House.
The incoming president has vowed to sign a nationwide law allowing people with concealed carry permits to take those firearms across state lines, even if those states don't recognize those permits. He's also expected to shutter the White House Office of Gun Violence Prevention and roll back measures that have expanded background checks and funding for intervention programs and mental health. Measures experts say are proven to work.
I don't want to be a fear-mongering about this, and my hope is that, some of the effects of the programming and policies that have been working, that maybe local jurisdictions and state-level jurisdictions will continue to invest in those, even if the federal government does not.
Experts say the country could become even more divided around the issue of guns, with Republican states loosening restrictions and Democratic states tightening them wherever they can. A unique American problem with known solutions, but disagreement on how to implement them. Toni, Waterman, CGTN, Austin, Texas.